We're here today to show how easy it is to replace the Pro Series 200 from Rola Chem to the new Series Pro 300. What you need to do is remove the faceplate. We're replacing the acid pump. You need to get the pump running, and it's easier to remove the tube. You go to the pH setting, hit the feed once button. The pump will activate. You walk that tube right out. Unplug it. 2 screws that's set there. Replace the pump. The new Pro Series 300 will fit on the same screws. Plug it in. Remove the faceplate. When installing the new hose, you want to make sure the clamps are on the right-hand side. That's the discharge side. The pump running, you'll just walk it in. Watch your fingers. Once it's in, they do offer a grease. They do supply it. Just put a dab around your roller tube. Reinstall the faceplate. Put your controller back on the auto mode. And that's it. That's how easy it is for the Pro Series 300 from Rola Chem.
We hope this maintenance made easy video helped you. Should you have additional questions, please visit our website for additional videos or contact your local Rola Chem products dealer or call us at Rola Chem Customer Service.